Have you ever wondered how people are earning lakhs and even millions from YouTube? Flush face. And the biggest question, can we also become successful on YouTube? If yes, then how? And why is it so important to start working on YouTube today? In this video, I will explain backhand index pointing right why you should work on YouTube. Backhand index pointing right why uploading videos is important backhand index pointing right and why only original content can make you successful fire direct hit. Part 1. Why you should work on YouTube. Look, today is the digital era mobile phone. Earlier, people used to watch TV, but now everyone is watching YouTube. Backhand index pointing right YouTube is not just an app, it is a huge opportunity platform money bag. Here you can show your talent, share your knowledge, and most importantly, earn money. Backhand index pointing right YouTube gives you heavy checkmark fame, heavy checkmark money, heavy checkmark identity, and the best part, backhand index pointing right, you don't need any degree, smiling face with sunglasses. All you need is backhand index pointing right skill, backhand index pointing right consistency, flexed biceps. Money with wings. Part 2. Why uploading videos is important. Now the question is, if YouTube is so powerful, why is uploading videos necessary? Backhand index pointing right, the answer is simple. Without videos, nothing happens on YouTube. YouTube's algorithm works like this. Backhand index pointing right, it pushes those creators who upload regularly rocket if you don't upload videos. Crossmark, no views, crossmark, no subscribers, crossmark, no earnings. Backhand index pointing right, every video is a chance to go viral. Maybe your first 10 videos fail, but the 11th video can change your life 100 points, so always remember. Backhand index pointing right consistency is the key. The one who uploads regularly grows faster. Warning. Part 3. Why original content is important. Now the most important part. Backhand index pointing right, original content fire. Many people try shortcuts. Copy others' videos, re-upload content. Try to grow without effort, but the truth is, backhand index pointing right YouTube is very smart. Now smiling face with horns if you upload crossmark reused content, crossmark copyrighted videos. Then, backhand index pointing right monetization will be rejected, crossmark backhand index pointing right, you may get strikes warning. Backhand index pointing right, your channel can even be deleted, prohibited backhand index pointing right. So always, heavy checkmark, create your own content, heavy checkmark, use your own voice, heavy checkmark, share your own ideas. Backhand index pointing right, only original content gives long-term success. 100 points, shortcuts may give temporary views, but never real success. Rocket reality, check, let's be honest. YouTube is not easy, grinning face with sweat. Backhand index pointing right, you need to work hard. Backhand index pointing right, you need patience. Backhand index pointing right, you need to give time. But backhand index pointing right, if you stay consistent, backhand index pointing right, and follow the right strategy, YouTube can completely change your life. Money bag fire, red heart outro. So from today, make a decision. Backhand index pointing right, take YouTube seriously. Backhand index pointing right, work daily. Backhand index pointing right, create original content. Improve yourself, flexed biceps. If you also want to grow on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Rocket, see you in the next video.